This game is a version of Capture the Flag. We played across Bravo Field with 5 capturable spawn points spread throughout.
Did I get you?
You'll see I spent most of my time with this squad trying to capture the flag at the tank.
Anyone up on the left here? Okay. Okay.
Oh, he's getting close.
Friendly.
Oh, he told me I was enemy. Sorry.
Oh.
I just saw movement and hosed.
Getting closer.
Sorry, mate. Love it. I know there's still one in the bush on the right. Hit!
At this point I went back to respawn, and shortly after doing that some of the yellow team members had snuck around behind our flag that we'd captured and were actually engaging us from behind. So I hunkered down in the bush and waited for them to break cover.
Good try, guys. Red, we can still respawn back here. We've still got the spawn point.
Nice spot.
Good ninja, man.
Bit of a miss, I'm not sure it was worth it.
Yeah.
We had a number of new players join us for this game, and it was really good to see that they were getting into it.
I was aiming for knees.
Shortly after this engagement we lose our respawn point and get pushed right back to the bridge.
Hit!
This
Well
is us
done,
heading back
man.
down towards the tank.
Yeah,
One of our players had actually snuck through, did some amazing
we had
knife
contact.
kills through the bush, and through a little bit of,
Push into the bush, mate.
well, cheekiness I guess.
Go, yeah,
Managed
go with him.
to
Go 2 into the bush.
knock
Down
out
that
most
track.
of the
Follow him down
opposition.
that track, mate.
So we were
You
just
had
trying to
contact?
figure out how far forward the enemy had come,
Right.
but basically
You and me
we had a
could do a
free
run
run
forward,
right
okay?
down to the
Yes,
tank.
Don't be too close because they'll be right behind. We'll be right in here and I'll get shot first. Let's go. Call again?
It's on the right.
In the bush?
No, you just went around.
Oh, on the track? Keep going.
I still can't find the
Jump up into here. Keep going. Just keep pushing. Right, contact front. We'll set up here, guys, so get hunkered down into the bush. We'll see how we go. You can push in to the right a little bit.
Just sitting around.
Come up, come up.
Still got the tank?
Get up there. Get up to that next bit on the right. Get up in there. We've got 2 of our guys moving down on the right hand side, so don't shoot them. Just be aware. Right, I'm going forward. They're coming from there. Or in here. They're in there. Red, push to the tank! Tank's clear. Okay, they're going to be pushing obviously through this track here, eh? They're in there. Hit! Yeah, I can spawn here. So I got sniped from behind, guys. There's a sniper on the race.
Through the track.
Can you see anything on the track?
Yeah, went right.
We only have to hold here. We're not going to get the Manuka huts. So I reckon leave a couple of guys here, send them back up, see if we can get around and capture three flags. I'll just stay here. hit that one.
Do you go down? Do you think we should go down there and left it?
Nah. No. That's got to be ours. Ten minutes!
Hit. Oh, bro.
I'm out. Dead man. Did that guy get hit? Anybody there?
I could hear everybody closing in around me, so I decided to try and head back to the tank and help out there. But then I obviously got hit. We still had the flag, but there were enemy team members right around us. But I was still allowed to, within the game rules, allowed to respawn on there. And luckily, while I was respawning, someone shot that enemy.
Hit! Do it! Finish me! Otherwise I'm gonna respawn. Yeah, nice shot. Yeah, I'll move. Nice headshot. That's alright. So it's good job.
We were down to our last few minutes,
Enemy.
so I decided to push into the bush and
Okay,
see
I'll
if I
find
could
them. I'll
flank
stand
around
on them, then they'll
the
shoot
side
me.
of the tank.
Hi, Tom.
1 minute! Let's go if we're going. "30 seconds! Gun hit! Hit! Good shot. 10, 9, 1, game off! Good shot, man.
Oh, I said hit. Wait a minute, gun hit.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that one. That's a beauty.
It was great to see so many new players coming out and giving it a go. The weather turned out great, and there was some good airsoft played by everybody. Just want to say thanks everyone for turning up, and hope to see you at the next game.